Oops, I wasn't recording. I gotta take this all off and get to the coils. I gotta take this. I think I can get this pulled back enough so I can get to the coils, and I got some new coils to put on it and some new spark plugs, and that should fix the problem. I bought a kit from Kohler. It really don't have a whole lot in here. It's got a little bit of wiring here in it. That's the numbers, I guess, for this kit. This is for my and then I got me some bought me some new spark plugs. Oh, they're the wrong. I don't really like these kind with that color top. I like the silver top better. But we'll try and see how they work. If they don't work good, I'll have to go get me some ACs. If I would have seen those up there, I would have told her to keep them. But we'll see if they last. Some people have good luck, some people don't. But then I got some new coils for it. Flat side up. Hopefully she'll put out some good spark and we'll get this thing going. So let me get tore down to the coils. Hey guys, by the way, I'm working on a Kohler Command Pro 27, and I've got to get in here to, I may need to take this little plate off here. Let me see here though. I think I got all of it loose. Oh no, it's gonna come off with me. I gotta take that off. I got 2 screws here to take off. I got these 2 screws to take off, and then there's 4 screws on each side of the housing that goes on there. Let me get my screwdriver, take those 2 screws off. I may have to take that pulley off down here so I get that back a little further, because it's going to be hard to get to those. I can get to that one maybe. I'm going to have to take that pulley off so I can get to these a little better. I think I got a couple set screws down there to mess with. Let me pull that pulley off real fast. Hopefully I can get it off there without too much problems. Okay guys, I got it to slide out that far. It won't quite make it to the end because this bar is in the way. It's stupid the way they built this machine. But I think I got this so it'll come out far enough here where I might be able to work on the, yeah, I can get in there and get those coils. It's gonna be a little tight, but that's what I'll have to deal with, but we'll get it done. I wish I had my power washer out here. I'd wash all that first before I put that together, but oh well. Okay, now let's we gotta have the red wire, gotta go with this. That's the that's the carburetor thing. We gotta make sure that's still hooked up. This thing here is gonna be eliminated. Okay, let me see if I can figure out my wires. Okay guys, I got this out. This was on the housing right here. Unbolted it. I cut some of the wires. Actually, this is just all unplugged. The only wire I had to cut was a black wire going to the manifold, which is the ground. So now I'm working on taking, up there is going to be junk away. Throw it away. I'm taking this, I got this bolt loose already. I got to loosen the other one up here. It's kind of a pain to get to now with this shield on in my way. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing or not. I'm gonna set you on the other side so my arm don't get in your way all the time. You guys can watch from here. You can kind of see what I'm doing. If you can't see, it's not really a how-to video anyway, it's just entertainment. I'm working on my Dixon Z72 mower here. I'm gonna pull one of these out and show you what they are. These wires are hanging in my way, boys and girls. I'm getting these little screws out of there. At least they're coming out. And there's one of them. This is a bad one. I don't want it either. Let me see if I can get this one real fast. $10mm. I think that's what I got on there. Loosen this one. I can't even see it. I'm on it though. Oh yeah. Lawnmower shop probably called me a couple $100 to put this on. At least. You know, they're $80 an hour shop rate. It's going to take about an hour. And these two things, this kit I bought cost me $190, and I got 2 spark plugs too, but they're not the plugs I like. But we'll run them this summer if they'll run. If it runs good, we'll run it this summer, and then we'll change them out again. And cause I'm thinking about pulling this motor out this winter. And putting new gaskets on it because they're leaking a little bit. It may put rings and bearings in it too if it needs it. I might not put the rings on it, probably don't need them. Alright, boys. We got it out. I gotta get the plug off of it. This one here was working, but we're not going to use it no more either because we're switching the kind we got. So, there. I might clean up that post there where those set on a little bit. So I'm going to get a wire brush and clean up those posts. Let me show you what down there where they mounted. Well, you can't really see it though. If you can see it, they mounted down there on these things. There's 2 over there, but I'm going to clean those up a little bit. Well, this side's looking good. I put a oil seal on this side about 2 years ago, and there ain't no oil, so that's a good thing. I might be able to replace all this without taking the motor all completely out. Just have to take it all apart and split it from the back here. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna clean those up and I'll get back with you when I mount the other ones on there. Okay guys, they're exact same. You want to mount it with a flat top up. And the magnet's going to come by here, and it's going to make this thing generate electricity somehow or another. I don't know how it does it, but something about the coil of wire in there and the magnet going through it by it. Kind of works like electric magnet, but it makes it build up little electricity. What the hell did I do with those 2 screws? What did I do with the screws, Daddy? Oh, they're down here. Alright. Let's see if I can get these on there, I guess. Not dropping it and tearing it up. Been easier than the motor. I seen a guy do this on TV, but he pulled the whole engine out. Well, on YouTube, not TV. They probably Probably got a little bit of stuff on them still from last time. I might have pulled these out when I took the flywheel out to get that oil seal. Dang it. Good light, stay there. I need to get my wrench. I'm not setting them yet. I'm just getting them in here. Then I'll get my feeler gauge. It says to put them at 25 thousandths. I hope it runs like it did when I bought it, because this ain't really mowed grass. Tighten this one up a little bit. It's got 1,313 hours. Something about those 13s. Superstitious, I guess. It got me. I'm getting worried about my YouTube channel too, because I don't want to be on 666 subscribers very long. I hope you guys subscribe and get me past that pretty fast. I'm getting close to 600. I don't want to be on 666. It's going to scare me when I hit that number. Where the hell's my damn other coil at? I found it. When you install these, you do the flat side up, the other side's around, because that's where your plug is anyway. If you follow the other way, you wouldn't have no plug. They'd be gone. Wires. Wires! You gotta have a little patience. Gotta have a little patience. Yeah. Uh-oh. Starting to lose them. There. Oh. There we go. Ouch. I was watching a documentary the other day on Guns N' Roses. Them guys are crazy. They had some bad stuff happen at their concerts. People get out of control. Oh, damn. Okay. Let me get a little further along here and then I'll get back with you. There goes Grandma. Okay guys, it threw me off when I was looking at the instructions. It said 25,000, I thought, but it says 25 millimeter or something like that. Centimeter. We're supposed to centimeter, mil, I don't read it, but you got to put this, it's a 10 thousandths. 10 thousandths is what you want. It also says that. I seen it somewhere. Oh, it says it on here. I got my 25 millimeter, and it's a 10 thousandths too. It says on top of it, but it goes underneath the, in between the coil and the. That side might have moved a little bit because I don't know if I got it tight. Got to get it all the way through there. If I can get it in there. This damn shield's making it hard. Come on, boy. Oh, baby. I may have to take it out of this package. Oh, no, we can get it in there, maybe. Come on. What the hell are you doing to me here, Bubba? There we go. I think I got it. I'm gonna have to take it out. It's too damn. I don't know if I can pull that out of there once I. Well, I'll just do it the way I usually do on my other ones. Yeah. I can get that in there, can I? I usually just slip a business card in there. I want to do it this way. I want you to do. Try it this way. I hope that store's open for it. Where's my screwdriver? Be better if it was a flat screwdriver. Oh, there we got it. There, I got it in there. Now I gotta loosen those screws and let the magnet pull it down tight, and then I'll tighten it back up. Loosen these back up a little bit. Make sure they're down. Then we'll tighten her back up. And it says only about 4 pounds. It's actually, they say 4 foot-pounds, or I mean 24-inch pound or something like that. It was just about 4 foot-pound, I think. Just snug it down. You don't want to strip out your aluminum. Okay. Now let me see if I can get that pulled out of there. Oh yeah. Now let me see if it'll rotate to the next one. Man, it's close, but that's what it says. Get this one in there. You can go work my motor back a little bit. Oh, there we go. Snug and tight, loosen and then snug it back up. You gotta loosen these, the ones I snugged down a while ago. Let the thing slide down to the feeler gauge. You guys ain't even watching me now, because whatever. Okay. I'm going to button this up and then we'll see if it'll start. Alright guys. Your white wire on most lawnmowers that I've been around is always the kill wire. So they give me this little fitting. I wasn't sure what it was going to be for, but it plugs into this on the wiring harness. One of them goes to the other coil and the other side goes to the other coil. And this one's going to go to the white wire. So I got to take this one there off of the lawnmower and put this one on, and it will plug into this. So let's do that real quick. We don't want to cut that one off. That's the new one. I thought about cutting it off. That's another piece going to the junk pile. Oops, then we got to splice a little bit here. Slip this little baby on here. Give her a good crimping. one more time here if I can get it in the right spot. Okay, and this plugs into that. It's got a spade in there. There, that's nice. Nice and tight fit. I probably should have cut that a little littler, but oh well. We'll just tie it all up here somewhere, somehow. Something like that. Put some wire tie around it. This is the intake. It's always sucking in cool air so that don't get too hot. Okay, let me wire tie these up a little bit, and we're about ready to fire this baby up. Got one hot wire here I'm just gonna leave dangling, but we might tie it into our stuff here. It ain't gonna hurt nothing sitting in here. We'll wrap it around it a little bit. We'll put our wire tie on that. Okay. Alrighty, folks. Let me get a couple of wire ties, put around that like it was earlier, and then I'll button it back up. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the wiring. It's pretty simple. We took all this off. Let me see over here on the ground. I don't know where one of my coils went. See, I throwed them over here, but we had two of these in this box, this electronic box. Eliminated all that BS. So hopefully this thing will run like it did. Alright, I'll get back with you when I try to start it. We'll see what happens. It was a mother to get this back on together, but I finally got it. Inside here is a fan, which you got to bolt this up, but this here, inside there, the fan has got to be bolted up later. With these bolts here, they're about 5 inches long, 4 or 5 inches. But you got to have your fan turned just right, and it's got little notches on it that goes over the magnet. You just got to make sure those are right, because I had it off a little bit and I couldn't get this on because the fan wouldn't go in enough. But I got it now. It may rub a little bit, the screen, a little bent. It's going to rub on this plastic, but after it wears that plastic off a little bit, it'll quit rubbing. Just because this metal fan, this metal shield got bent a little bit. Just a little dinky piece of tin touching it. Once I'll eat that fan up, I mean that plastic up, and it'll just go away. It'll blow it through there, hopefully. But I got to get that pulley pushed back where it was now, and I'll show you. I guess I'll let you guys watch me do that. I'm gonna do that with a hair hammer and a pry bar. We're getting close. I'll get that pulley set in place and I'll start it up and see if it runs. It may not run. I may have done something wrong. I may have to get back in there, which that'd be a big fat bummer. You see that pulley right there? Let me see if you can see it. I don't even know if you can see it or not. I can't see it. I got a good place to set you guys and girls so you can watch me. Whoa. I gotta use both hands, so I gotta get you sitting here just right. Ah, fudge. You might not be able to watch. We'll do it right here. Good night. It's about the best I can do it. Alright. You can see it there. Let me get my hammer and pry bar here. I'll let that get in there. Ah, yeah. I need an air hose. I need to get me take my old motor up to the electric shop, and I'm going to get it rebuilt so I can have an air compressor that works fast. Just right where it was, boys. I think I'll go just a tad further. There. I like that. Looks good to me. Got her lined up there pretty good. I hope that'll work. I gotta tighten those 2 set screws and I'll be ready to start this motor. Let me get those tight and I'll get right back with you. Okay guys, I got it to slide out that far. It won't quite make it to the end because this bar is in the way. It's stupid the way they built this machine. But I think I got this so it'll come out far enough here. Alright, we're back to the big 72-inch Dixon. I've got a little bit of work to do to it today. Alright, we're going to see if she'll fire up. The exhaust is right here. Oh, better move my magnet. We'll see if my oil leak fixed or not too. Alright, the belt's not hooked up on just to the clutch there, but let's see if she'll fire. It starts good and it shuts off. That's what we want. So now I'm going to let it run a little bit and see if it'll leak oil. Sounds real good. Smoke a little bit because it wasn't firing on that cylinder and it's got a bunch of oil stuff in it. So far we're not leaking oil. My little piece of pin's rubbing a little bit. We're rubbing a little bit on this way out. See if that heats up and starts leaking oil or not. Right there. I'll go on this pole. Hopefully right there it don't leak no oil. So far so good. we're looking pretty good. No little leak so far. I'm gonna put my belt on my drive motors and air up my tires, and we'll take it for a ride. Okay, I think I got this on wrong. I think I need to turn this thing here around. I think this is supposed to be on the rim. I think it needs to be flipped over. It's not working quite right. I'm gonna see if I can move this stupid torch. This thing scares the hell out of me. Alright, I'm gonna try to see if I can blow it on there. It might have worked. Let me see if I can get some air in it now. Try it again. I'm gonna change this pipe around on this thing. I think this thing needs to be flipped around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a piece of firewood behind that too. Oh, maybe. I wish it'd stay there. Ow! I'll just put one of these over there. Keep it moving. Okay, let's see if we get this thing to air up now. I don't know if that's right either. Dang it. Might knock the whole thing over. Yeah, I think it mounted that time. What did I do with my little air chuck? You guys see my air chuck? Ah, dang it. Ain't a good place to lay anything down in this shop. I'll lose it. Now I'm getting mad. Let me look underneath. Maybe it blowed underneath there. I don't know where it is. Can't find my little air chuck. Grab another one. That makes me mad. I can't find that. I'll clean this shop. This thing gets done, we're cleaning this shop again. Oh, there now. Oh yeah, we got it. I don't know if you guys seen it or not, but we got it. That tire's all jacked up for being flat for too long. Okay. Okay guys. Did I record it? I don't know if you got to see it or not, but that's it. Ah, dang, I wasn't recording. Gotta get in the gate here. It wasn't recording there for a minute. I pulled it out of the shop. I still ain't found my damn air tuck. Switch still works, and brake. That plastic sand sounds horrible. Let's see if the tech works. Leaking oil. I don't see no oil leak. I wish I could bend that thing where it quit rubbing. She's gonna quit here pretty soon, probably. Let's see if she'll fire back up. I think I might be able to pry it out. Let me see if I can pry it out a little bit. about how fast you can mow that yard with that mower in about a minute. I striped up over the stripes that were already there from, I don't even remember what I mowed it with, maybe the Ferris, I think. Can't remember. But it'll run. I need to look at the bearings on that deck though. And needs paint. They ain't leaking too bad yet on the oil. I don't see no oil yet. That yard sounds like hell. Need to bend it some more. It does pretty good at high RPM. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. That was I think number 4 or 5. We'll have to put it on the title. I'll have to look and see what my last video was about Big Blue. And the next one will be fixing the deck bearings, because it definitely needs that. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you want to keep watching, keep watching. If you don't. But I appreciate everybody hit the like button and leave a comment. There's nothing to watch on TV, so I like looking at my comments that people leave me and stuff, and that's my entertainment for evening. After I get done mowing all day, I can look at what I did and then talk to you guys. Alright, I better get that before it runs itself into the ditch. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna go grab that mower before it runs itself in the ditch.